Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video in case you have a Samsung dryer and you're getting an HE error. So the HE error, as the name might suggest, is that the dryer senses that it's not heating properly. So in order to get this fixed, you're going to need to check a couple of things. You're going to need to check and make sure that all the wiring to the heating elements is connected well and not loose or anything like that. And then you're going to also make sure that any kind of valves or the gas valve or anything like that is not clogged. Another thing that I always suggest if something's going wrong and you're not really sure why is just to try to do a hard reset on the machine, which is involves just cutting power to it completely. So either unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit breaker if it's hardwired. Waiting a full minute and then reconnecting power and seeing if the error goes away. So hopefully by checking the wiring and doing a reset and checking the valves, you'll be able to get rid of this HE error and get your dryer heating properly. Anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.